Hi everyone. Today we have a topic that how to hide form on a Power Page forms. That means when we create a Power Page form, in the Power Page that have some fields, I want to that field will be uh, hide from the user. So first you have to write or check here make.powerup.com. Okay, here you have some power of basic idea that the solution you have and the environment you have, both you check first the solution and environment. Then you have to check the power pages. How to create power pages? I will show you. First, click on power platform here. Then you have click here power pages. Then the power pages will be appear in your screen. Yeah, I think you have some basic idea about the Power Pages that an external facing app or website that will be when we execute that Power Page, it will show to the customer or user. So it will be say that it is a user interface. It support web technology like HTML, CSS, JS, JavaScript like this. So in here, when you arrive in Power Pages, here also a template section. Click on template section. Will you will be see that there is some predefined template here, which will be provided by the Microsoft. Here I will use this template. You can choose any template from here. Okay. Okay, I will be choose this template. Click on choose this template. So then you have to set your name here, and I have also a template. I will show you that. I have already created a template, and only the use case that you have to rename your template. That's it. It will provide you a user interface like this. So this is my power pages. It will take some time when you have to create. Okay, in the left section there will be provide some pages, style, data, setup, and some flow and power pages management. In pages you have the page, and you can add new page from here. Click on new page, and it is the standard layout, and click on start from blank. Here will be, and you will be set your page name for according to your use. You can set any name here. This will be the template which is given by the Microsoft. Okay, this is my template, and I have add a page our management. You can add here in add page here. Okay, we have a scenario that I will show my output first, then you can understand. Here is the field that prescription field or any data field, that is the name, father name, address, phone number, Aadhaar, date of birth. These all fields are here. So our requirement is that the name field and the father name field will be hidden from the user. Okay, so first create this template or create this form, then we can hide this. So first create the form by clicking add a page. You have to add a page. Okay, then click on add a page. In your page, okay, first I will show you that my page name is Saroj. Okay, click on start from blank, then click on add. It will be added here in the left section. our main navigation here. Okay, yeah, you can set your style as your requirement, then you can add here. Okay, just a minute. So it is I have to add a form here. Okay, then click on add. It show me the name of the form I will describe here. Okay, so first I will create a form according to my dataverse. Okay, I have a field that my prescription, other any field or any table from dataverse. First, to do so we have to click on data, and here search your table name. Like I search here patient information. Okay, this will be appear. That is the reason that when we search a table name, it will appear because the environment will be same. If your environment is different from the dataverse or model driven app, it will don't show you. So first check your environment, then check the table name as your requirement and click on the table. Okay, then you have to form here. Form, then add a new form. Click on new form. A requirement field will appear that the name of the form. I will show you right now. Just a minute. Okay, here I have to add the patient information to this form, which will be show to the customer or user. So you have to take the idea that what will be you want to show the user or customer. I saw that the name field, father name. Otherwise, you want to that the patient age will not be shown to the user. So click on that and click on delete. It will be automatically deleted. Okay. So after this completed, you have to save and publish here. Okay. Okay. Here, whenever you want to add some field or add some data to your form, then you have a authentication user required here. So as you know that the power pages are authentication user means who are you or user id. Here in this environment you have to first registration your user id. To do so, you first run this template, then you can register here. I will show you here. Click on preview and desktop. This page will appear after you click on see and desktop. Then you have to here sign in option. You have to sign in first. First register your name, enter your email id, username, password. Then click on register. I have already registered here. So here in our management page, a form will be here. How to show this page? First, after register your name, you have to three parts. That is the web role field. Then you have to enter your table permission. Then you have to enter your contact name or contact person here. So first, create a web role according to your template. So first, to create a table permission web role, you have to go to your power page management. when you create a power page, it will be automatically create in your model driven app. You can check there, or you can directly connect from here. Click on right, three dot, then power page management here. Here in the left side, you will show it will show you that in that button part, web role. You have to first create a web role here, as I have created Pheasant agent. Name, you can take your requirement as your name, and here in website you have to put the website here. It will automatically display you the environment you have created, that the health portal. Then you have to authentication user you have to set no, and anonymous user you have to set no. Okay, then you have to create a table permission here in the table permission section. Go to table permission section and add and create add a new. Then the patient power page I have created. After add a new, you have to take your name here, patient power page, and the environment you have created, that is the health patient information. You have to click here. After clicking here, you have to search your website what you have created, that is the hospital management system. Then click on the access type. Here I will choose access type is to global. In the bottom of the section, I have to add a web role here. By clicking on add an existing web role, here it will show you have added the web role. I have add here patient agent, and click on add. Then it is added to web role here. Then I have to click on contact. Here it will show that your contact you have just in some time registered here in the management section. In sign in section, you have entered your data, that will show you here. By clicking all contacts, it will show you here your name, email id, phone number, your data, all data will be show here. After complete this process, you will check here that your data will be there or not. Okay, this is the basic idea about how you can create a power page. But our requirement is that how we can hide two field here. Two field name, first two field name and father name will be hide from the user. So how I will do it? I will do it by using the JavaScript uh, code. To do so, I have to go to the basic phase, or click here. Then you have to click on basic form. Here I will add my JavaScript code here. Click on basic form, and click your form, that is the power page environment. Paste in power pages. Then scroll down to the click on additional setting. Then scroll down the button of the part. Here you will find the code place. Here custom JavaScript. Here you can add your JavaScript code. First I have write this code. I will show you that how I take this code from internet by using you can write here jQuery ready method. Copy jQuery ready method and paste here. Here I will write to how to hide a field. Then to do so, first I have to use the id of the field. To I take from here, right click here, then inspect. It will show you the id of that field. Here the id is the health name. I will copy here. Use the dollar symbol, and then write your code here. By in double quote you will write your logical name here, your field id. Dot hide. It will hide that field. This field, and I want to also this name, I want to this hide this name also, so I use this name. Then save your code. After save you have to sync here and preview. Okay, now you can see here the name field will be hidden from the user. You can do so with the other field also. Thank you all of you. This video will help you. Thank you.